And they're gone. There he is. There he is. Oh my God. How close is he? See? He's standing on his feet. Grace, don't go that far. Otherwise he'll come out. Hey, he's like, I want to eat that. Hey, that's so funny. How did you get a chipmunk to come here? Like,
I don't know.
Grace, I want to pet him. No, don't pet him.
You don't pet him because he might bite you.
Can we try to capture it?
No, because he'll bite and he might have rabies.
What are those?
Rabies are like some sort of sickness for an animal.
Grace is getting on all the chipmunks. Wait! They're all gone. Get up! You're sitting on all the nuts. Where is it?
He's right behind this tree.
Oh yeah, there he is. Oh yeah. You're good at wiring those nuts, Jim.
Thanks.
He's like, I want to get that thing. Stop, he's coming. What are you eating? No, I'm not eating. You're not opening the mixer. Right now, to eat. After this, he's going to be all hungry. Grace, stop, don't pet him.
Don't pet him.
No, I want to try to pet him. Chippy monkey. Chippy. Let's call him Chippy.
Yeah. Okay.
That was a good name for him, actually. Chippy. Chippy. You think he'll come back? He's so cute. Yep, there it is. He'll come back somehow.
Okay, he's gone.